Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, okay guys, for other great content coming your way. Alright, this is the healthier side of things, and guys, look at this. I'm gonna make a green smoothie, really healthy, maximum superfood. Alright, so this smoothie we'll call my dandelion and avocado smoothie somewhat. Alright, our green smoothie. So my peeps, have you ever heard of dandelion? If you're from Jamaica, it grow in the bush country. Country life. All right, you pass on the train line or on the roadside, you see some dandelion. It bloomed yellow flowers, and those flowers can use to make tea and all of that. All right, so I got this here in Canada. Sometimes the leaves are different. Sometimes the leaves are a little bit longer. So just Google it and then you will know it, and you will know the difference. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit of health benefits of this dandelion. All right guys, so I know dandelion from Jamaica. My mom, when I told my mom about this, she said, you know that Ricky just brought some of the dandelion seed for me. I'm gonna parch it and I'm gonna beat it and I'm gonna make my tea with it. Mr. Marcy, stop it before me lick you on your foot. What you talk about? Me just bought some because I'm gonna make some smoothie, one part, and part 2 video I'm gonna make a drink. So my good dandelion guys, don't pass it. It's where all those green stuff at in the supermarket, or if you're walking on the roadside or the train line in Jamaica, pick up some, just pull up a root. All right. And dandelion is packed with lots of antioxidants. It has beta carotene, lots of vitamins A, E, and K. This dandelion guys also help with swelling, inflammation. It has lots of fiber, lots of protein, lots of calcium, lots of potassium. Guys, this dandelion is a super food. All right. It helps to control your blood sugar level. It helps to combat or lower cholesterol. It helps to lower blood pressure. It helps or aid in weight loss, and it's good for digestion. Okay guys, and this is also a detox and cleansing remedy. All right, so don't pass your dandelion anyways. It's a good immunity support. All right, and this dandelion guys, it will alkaline your body, fight off all inflammation, mucus, bacteria from your body. All right, it's gonna build your immune system. Okay guys, and to start with my avocado guys, everybody knows that avocado is a superfood. It helps to combat or fight cancer cells. Guys, avocado have lots of antioxidants, has beta carotene, good for lowering your cholesterol. It's a good heart health. Avocado also provide B6 vitamins, magnesium, potassium, and fiber to your diet, packed with antioxidants. And you know my banana, it's good for digestion, good for heart health, packed with potassium and vitamins and all of that. And my kiwi, you're gonna get lots of vitamin C, K, and E from your kiwi, packed with lots of antioxidants, packed with potassium, fiber. And guys, that little piece of ginger hiding right there, I'm gonna add a little bit of cut ginger. Ginger good for pain, inflammation, common cold and flu, help with nausea, and a good immunity support. I have to tell you a little bit about dandelion because lots of people don't know dandelion, so I'm gonna do another video, so I want to introduce it to you at first. All right, I'm gonna cut up all of this guys, and then we're gonna make a quick green smoothie. This part I won't throw away because my second part video I'm gonna make a green drink, and then I can blend all of this, and we're gonna add everything. So I have my ginger, I'm gonna place that in. I'm gonna add 1 kiwi. I'm gonna add my dandelion. Then I'm gonna add my banana, 1 banana. I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon of honey. It's optional. Now I'm gonna add few pieces of avocado. It's frozen. and once it's frozen, guys, it will change color, so that will do. Half cup of almond milk. Let's put a cup. I also have some crushed ice, guys, but I'm gonna blend this a little bit first, because as you can see, my blender full, and then I'll add the ice. All right, guys, remember you have to blend this one a little bit longer than regular smoothie. And also, guys, I forgot to tell you the reason why I put the honey in it, because the dandelion come off somewhat bitterish, but it's a little bit bitter. I'm just letting you know from now, but it's really healthy. I'm gonna add my ice. Put all 4. Oh, it's too full. I hope it's okay. And then I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. All right. All right, guys, so this is the final result. I'm just gonna add 1 straw to it, and that's it. That's my super smoothie. All right, guys, remember the dandelion tends to be bitter, so if you don't like bitter, maybe this is not for you. But if you want to be healthy, and drinking all of this, guys, it will let you lose weight. Good immunity support. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And remember, use a powerful blender. If not, blend it for extra period of time. All right, guys, bye.